Next one we have here is our EURCAD. So to better get this analysis properly, we will start from the weekly time frame. Let's include the 10-period moving average, which is actually to make us understand this movement. So on the weekly aspect of it, we are actually on a bearish move. We see it from this top here downward. This our EURCAD has actually been going bearish, which means the price has actually been dropping massively. So and price was actually below the 10-period moving average. So if you notice something, we are now on a pullback level on this EURCAD. See it this way. This was an impulse move we had here. So a correction was made. We had another impulse move, right? A correction was also made. Another impulse move was also made here, which broke below the previous lows, which is this. So now we are on a pullback level, right? So we should actually see the pullback level. Should also see the pullback level. At least take out this area level we are seeing. This previous lower lows. This was the previous to lower lows. So this is the level we all will be looking at for this EURCAD to actually take out. So basically, on this EURCAD on the weekly time frame, we are seeing a bullish move. That is it. Now we should roll down to the daily time frame. So this daily time frame is actually giving us a bullish move, which this is the level we are all eyeing for. The level we just highlighted here. We would want to see the price actually get to the level. Coupled with the fact that this price is now giving us a bullish move, we all can see it again that the price is now above the 10-period moving average. We can take this as an impulse here. We see this as a correction. Another impulse move was made, then a correction was made. Now we are on an impulse move again. So very much we would likely see the impulse move roll up to at least 1.33940. From there to there, that should be giving us about 100 plus pips. So basically, we still have about 100 plus pips bullish move that would be made on this EURCAD. So that is it. Now to enter this trade, we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we basically time frame to actually place the trade. And what we all can see on this 4-hour time frame is actually an impulse move upward. This is it. Price is actually giving us a bullish move, which means if you have to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, we would also want to go bullish. So now these two highs was actually broken, and we kind of see as of recent on this 4-hour time frame, the price is actually ranging here, which anytime soon price will actually break above it. So basically you can wait for the price to actually break above the wick. Once the price break above the wick, then you can go long on this EURCAD. So again, EURCAD, we are actually to go bullish for the day.